This is a $90 mini tripod from Ulanzi. Coming from a brand known for their affordable accessories, this price point is borderlining on premium. But to be fair, this is a combination of two products, the U120 inverted ball head and the MT-28 carbon fiber legs. The design appears to be geared towards small mirrorless cameras rather than smartphones, judging by the lack of phone mounting options, although the Swiss quick release system can seamlessly accept some of their phone mounts. I find it nice that the sliding plate has safety stoppers to prevent it from sliding out. This little red tab here that rotates is a pan lock. This ball head has a pan axis, and it's a pretty smooth one as well. In addition, of course, to a ball socket that you secure using this other knob. On the other side, there is a Colt shoe that can be angled, which is great for mounting microphones with. And there's the carbon fiber legs. Now, I don't think any tripod this size can ever get too heavy, so not very sure if carbon fiber was actually necessary, but at least it looks cool. You can twist the ends to extend the legs by one segment, and that does add quite a bit of height. It is fairly sturdy, although if you apply force, it does flex a bit. There's a ring here that you can twist to change the spread angle of the legs. There's only two positions though. This I call the standard one, and this other one, the low mode, and it goes almost all the way down to the ground. It is a very neat little accessory, I should say, pretty well thought out in terms of features as well, so this is what you can expect when you opt for one of Ulanzi's more premium tripods. I'm also running an Instagram giveaway of Ulanzi's ring light phone rig for my Malaysian viewers. It's a phone mount surrounded by 4 adjustable bicolor LED panels, so head on over to my Instagram account to see how you can win one.